chef's hat? Milo, look at this one. Oh, you got the piano. Alright. Music time. Oh, look at that. There you go. Found the stick. Take the sticker off. That's an owl. Keep it on there. Don't take it off, Milo. Milo, no. Yeah, you want a sticker? I'll get you a sticker. Don't take it off, please. Here, let's get a sticker for Milo. Over here. We have lots of stickers. We can